Hi there, I'm Chris from the Costa Car Trader, and this is our very first little news bulletin. It's only going to be about a minute long, so I hope you like it. And the first bulletin we got for you is the crazy thing that's going on in Cairo, Egypt at the moment. The Egyptian government are actually building a bridge which is 50 centimeters away from people's apartments. How crazy is that? This is the King Salman Axis bridge, which is currently being built just 50 centimeters away from residential apartments. Yes, there are actually people living in these apartments under these conditions. It's absolutely insane. Well, anyway, according to the Ministry of Housing in Egypt, the buildings that are just an arm's reach away were built illegally, and they're not even supposed to be there. So there's a big I don't know if it's like a fight or a confusion. I'm not quite sure what's going on, but it's like the government are saying, hey, those buildings aren't supposed to be there. The people are saying, yes, they are. They're built illegally. So it's just crazy what's going on over there at the moment. But whoever's at fault, this is actually happening. The bridge is being built, and it's absolutely unbelievable. Can you imagine the hell these residents are going through? From all the noise of the, well, it's under construction at the moment, which is bad enough, and then when all the traffic is going to be driving past, oh my god, all the pollution that's going to be coming into the windows, it's going to be absolutely crazy. You know, I'm not sure what would be worse, living above the motorway, living below the motorway. Oh, what do you think? What do you think is the worst position to be in that apartment, above or below? I'm not sure. Either way, I think they're going to be suffering, aren't they? So there we have it. That's what's going on in Cairo, Egypt at the moment. Wow. Well, anyway, that's our little news bulletin. I hope you liked it. So if you want to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you don't miss a single one of our videos. And I'm going to be putting 2 videos above here to give you something else to watch. You know, one of them is going to be the little video, the parody we made of cats in cars drinking coffee, and the other one's the latest news. So have a look and hope you enjoy them. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.